Is your Dropbox running out of space? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to quickly free up storage so you can keep your account organized and ready for new files. First, log into your Dropbox account and head over to the Files section. This is where everything you've saved is stored. Browse through your folders and pick out files you no longer need. Maybe old projects, duplicates, or anything you haven't opened in ages. Once you've chosen, click on the file and look for the delete option. It may appear as a trash can icon or in a drop-down menu. Confirm and the file will be removed from your account. Pro tip: before deleting, consider backing up important files to an external hard drive, USB, or even another cloud service. That way you don't lose something valuable later. And that's it. By regularly reviewing and deleting unnecessary files, you will not only free up space, but also make your Dropbox cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides.